Hey guys, what's up? Now today we are going to learn about boundary boss or base command, and this command is almost similar to lofted base or boss command. Let's do it and let's see what is the difference. So first of all, go to sketch like usual and create a sketch. I'm selecting front plane and I'm creating one rectangle as before and coming out again, going to features, select for a plane, go to plane, go here and select a front plane, give offset distance. I'm giving 110. Click on OK. Now our another plane is created, so select this plane and click here sketch. Now make it normal by pressing space button and then create a circle like this. Okay, now click on this plane, right click and hide it. As you can see like this, it is easy to hide this plane. If you want to unhide this plane, you can go here and click on this show, but now let it be hide. And now let's go to features, boundary base. First of all, direction, this select this one and then select this one. As usual, it is like a loft. Till here it is like a loft, but the difference is you can adjust this using this control point. And other difference is here in the loft command it will be fixed, but here you can make it as a normal to profile. Again, you can make it as a normal to profile, and also you can use this control point to change the sketch. Click on OK. Now you can see boundary browser this command we have successfully applied normal to, and this is our isometric view. I hope many of you are confused because when you press space button you might get one a big rectangle, and I am getting this another tab. So to activate and deactivate that, to make that big rectangle to appear, you can click here. Now you can see a big rectangle is appeared, and if you click here then the big rectangle will be gone in the orientation tab. I hope you understood this. Hope you like my video and please subscribe. Thank you.